to Yellow students. I am Teacher Edward and I am your math teacher.
Good afternoon, Teacher Edward. It's nice to see you today. We belong to a family primary.
How are you, grade 2 Yellow? Are you ready to learn? I hope you read your book ahead of time. What is our lesson all about? Yes, Joshua?
Properties of addition.
Very good. But before we start, let us first define what is addition. Addition is the process of adding numbers or putting two or more numbers together. Let us look at this addition sentence. 15 plus 5 equals 20. 15 and 5 are what we call the addends. Addends are the numbers that are being added. There can be two or more addends. 20 is what we call the sum or total. This is the answer in addition. And this is the plus sign, which is the symbol of addition. Now that we know what is addition, let us now talk about its properties. We have three properties of addition. Can you give me one? Yes, Jacob?
Identity or zero property of addition.
Good job! Identity or zero property of addition is the addition property wherein a number is added to 0 or 0 is added to any number and the sum is the number itself. I have here some examples and I will show you actual objects so that you can understand the lesson better. Number 1. 3 plus 0 equals 3. I have here 3 salted eggs on an egg tray and an empty egg tray, which represents 0. So 3 salted eggs plus an empty egg tray equals 3 salted eggs on an egg tray. Number 2. 5 plus 0 equals 5. I have here 5 cookies in a cookie jar and an empty cookie jar, which means 0. So 5 cookies in a cookie jar plus an empty cookie jar equals 5 cookies in a cookie jar. So that's number 3. 12 plus 0 equals 12. I have here 12 chocolates in a Ziploc bag and an empty Ziploc bag, which represents 0. So 12 chocolates in a Ziploc bag plus an empty Ziploc bag equals 12 chocolates in a Ziploc bag. Do you understand the zero property?
Yes, teacher.
Is there any questions?
No, teacher.
Okay, since there is no question, let us move on to the next addition property. Can you give another property of addition? Yes, Joshua.
Order or commutative property of addition.
Excellent. Order or commutative property of addition is the property of addition where in changing the order or position of the addends does not change the sum. Let us look at these examples. Number 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3 or 1 plus 2 equals 3. I have here 2 chocolate milk plus 1 bottled water equals 3 drinks. If I change the arrangement of these drinks to 1 bottled water plus 2 chocolate milk equals 3 drinks. So 2 plus 1 equals 1 plus 2. Both of these are equal to 3. Number 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5 or 2 plus 3 equals 5. I have here 3 red balls plus 2 blue balls equals 5 balls. If I change the position of these balls to 2 blue balls plus 3 red balls, the total is still 5 balls. Therefore, 3 plus 2 equals 2 plus 3. Both of these equation is equals to 5. Number 3. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Or 7 plus 6 equals 13. I have here 6 grade 1 books plus 7 grade 2 books equals 13 books. If I change the arrangement of these books to 7 grade 2 books plus 6 grade 1 books, the sum will still be 13 books. So, 6 plus 7 equals 7 plus 6. Both of these equation is equal to 13, even if the position of the addends were changed. Is this part clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Is there any question before we proceed to the last property of addition?
No, teacher.
Okay, so can anyone tell what is the last property of addition? Yes, Jacob?
Grouping or associative property of addition.
Correct, very good. Grouping or associative property of addition is the addition property where changing the grouping of the addends does not change the sum. In this property, we will have 3 or more addends, and they will be grouped by using parentheses. Here are some examples of grouping or associative property of addition. Number 1. Parenthesis 6 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15, or 6 plus parenthesis 4 plus 5 equals 15. I have here 6 color pens and 4 color pencils in the parenthesis plus 5 crayons equals 15 coloring materials. If we change the grouping of the addends to 6 color pens plus 4 color pencils and 5 crayons in the parenthesis, the answer will also be 15 coloring materials. Therefore, parenthesis 6 plus 4 plus 5 equals 6 plus parenthesis 4 plus 5. Number 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 9, or 4 plus 2 plus 3 equals 9. I have here 4 purple popsicle sticks plus 3 orange popsicle sticks in the parenthesis plus 2 green popsicle sticks equals 9 colorful popsicle sticks. If we change the grouping of the addend to 4 purple popsicle sticks and 2 green popsicle sticks in the parenthesis plus 3 orange popsicle sticks, the total is also 9 colorful popsicle sticks. Therefore, 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 4 plus 2 plus 3. Number 3. 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 10, or 5 plus 2 plus 3 equals 10. I have here 2 knives plus 3 forks and 5 spoons in the parentheses equals 10 utensils. If we changed the grouping of addends to 5 spoons and 2 knives in the parentheses plus 3 forks. The sum is still 10 utensils. Therefore, 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 5 plus 2 plus 3. Is everything clear, Yellow Bell?
Yes, teacher.
Well, I think you are all ready for a quiz next week. In preparation for your quiz, please answer the exercises on pages 53 and 55 of your math book. So that's it for today. Goodbye, Yellow Bell. See you next meeting.
Goodbye, Teacher Edward.